Namaste dosto. Hello friends. Today in the journey to learn Hindi with Neha, we will discuss about family or parivar in Hindi, wherein we will talk about the names of different family members in Hindi and we will also discuss with some of the example short sentences. Let's begin. Parivar means family. First, let's begin with parents. So, it's Mata means mother. Pita means father. Grandparents. Dada, grandfather. Here he is father of the father, paternal grandfather. Dadi, grandmother, mother of father. Bacche or the kids in a family. Suppose there is a brother and a sister, then they are known as bhai, bahan. And if there is a small toddler or an infant, that kid will be known as Shishu or simply a Bachcha. Now, friends, before we begin with the short example sentences in a family, let's understand one thing that the subject or the person who is doing the action is, if he is an individual male, then the action words to support the verb would be raha hai. If the subject or the person doing the action is an individual female, then the action words would be ending as rahi hai. Similarly, if more than one person is doing the action, then the verb would be ending as rahe hai. Now let's move on to the examples. Let's discuss with some short sentences. नमस्ते, मेरा नाम अजय है. That means, hello, my name is Ajay. So here in picture we can see this is a boy and a boy is known as ladka. Now in next picture we see दादाजी और पिताजी बात कर रहे हैं. That means grandfather and father are talking. The new words are or, which means and baat, which means talk. Here we see माता जी खाना पका रही है और simply माँ खाना बना रही है. That means mother is cooking. New words are khana, which means food, paka, which means cooking, bana, which means making. मेरी बहन नाच रही है. That means my sister is dancing. Nach means, here in picture we see मेरा भाई सो रहा है. That means my brother is sleeping. The new word is the action word sona, which means sleeping. Next, दादी जी पढ़ रही है. That means grandmother is reading. The new word is पढ़, which means read. Then, मैं खेल रहा हूँ means I am playing. New word is खेल. That means play. Now, let's move on to the other family members' names. परिवार के अन्य सदस्यों के नाम. name of other family members. Suppose I am the person who is speaking the name of other family members from my perspective, then it would be like this. Rishta or the relationship is mentioned here. Then their names are mentioned respectively. Some of the relationships we have just discussed. For example, mother, mata, father, pita, sister, bahan. If she is younger sister, then choti bahan. Elder sister, badi bahan. Brother, bhai. Younger brother is known as chota bhai. Elder brother is known as bada bhai. Irrespective of elder or younger, sister's husband is known as jija. Similarly, brother's wife is known as bhabhi. We have seen that grandfather is known as dada, so great grandfather is known as pardada. Grandmother, who is known as dadi, great grandmother is known as pardadi. Cousin sister is always known as bahan, and any cousin brother is known as bhai. But to know the detailed relationship of how they are cousin to us, we will come back to this slide once we discuss about the name of few more family members. In this slide, we will discuss about the relationships from two perspectives. If the relationship is from the mother's side and if it is from the father's side. Example, if it's from the mother's side, then mother's mother is known as Nani. Mother's father, Nana. Mother's sister, Mausi. Mother's brother, Mama. Mother's sister's husband, that means Mausi's husband, is known as Mausa. Mother's brother's wife, that means Mama's wife, is known as Mami. Now talking about from the father's side relations. So if it is father's mother, we have already discussed, she is known as Dadi. Father's father, it's Dada. Father's sister, she is known as Bua or Fufi. Father's brother. Now here, if father's brother is younger to father, then he will be known as Chacha. If father's brother is elder to father, then he will be known as Taya. Then father's sister's husband, that means Fufi's husband, is known as Fufa. Father's brother's wife. Since father's brothers were known as Chacha and Taya, respectively, father's brothers' wives are known as Chachi and Tai. Now, when we know the relationships like Mosi, Mama, Chacha, Fufi, let's go back to the previous slide and then again discuss about the name of cousin sisters and cousin brothers in detail. So here we have seen that cousin sister is known as Bahan, cousin brother is known as Bhai. Now if cousin sister is daughter of Chacha, that means father's brother, she will be known as Chacheri Bahan. Cousin sister is daughter of Mama, that means mother's brother, she will be known as Mameri Bahan. Cousin sister is daughter of Mosi, that means mother's sister's daughter, she will be known as Moseri Bahan. At last, if cousin sister is daughter of my Fufi, that means father's sister, then she will be known as Fuferi Bahan. Similarly, cousin brother is known as Chachera Bhai, ममेरा भाई, मौसेरा भाई, फुफेरा भाई. Thank you friends. धन्यवाद दोस्तों. Please don't forget to watch our next video on Hindi numbers. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more and more learning. Namaste.